coming. Here's train number 5 for this week. Here's my, yep. Here comes, guys. Train number 5 for this week. Eastbound. I'm guessing it's an Amtrak.
No, it's not.
Is it a freight train?
Yep.
Huh?
Yep.
Amtrak?
No.
What's it say?
CN.
Here comes. Really? Bnsf?
Yep.
What the heck? Did you guys see that? That's weird. Holy man.
That's strange.
Man. That's weird. That doesn't really happen.
It's kind of a cool one to see, huh?
That's a Bnsf right there. I'm guessing it's all car hauls. I think it is. Cool, guys. High five. This thing was yellow red up there. High five. Awesome. Awesome, yeah. Cool. It's raining, guys, so I don't want to move the window down, okay? What was the number?
6814.
6814. Cool, guys. Yeah, it's all car haulage. So this is an Autorack. This is a Bnsf Autorack train. That's crazy. Bnsf train. That's weird. That's cool. It's gonna go to Canada too. Car hauler. Oh, maybe it could be a middle engine, but I'm not sure. Unless it's mixed freight, but I don't think so. It's an auto carrier. Auto carrier usually means it's one engine. Autos. Why is this one? Without repeating. You better not stop. You won't. So guys, this is Spring Break 2017 Spring Break Whirlwind, okay? God damn it.
Oh, man, he might stop. He hit
Without repeating.
hard.
Huh?
He slowed down fast.
Is he stopping? He might, but I mean, usually this is a different train. It's different. What track is it on?
It's a long train.
Alright guys, if it stops, then I'm just gonna make a video. Then I'll make the next video on my camera. What? It stopped. Wait a minute. Alright guys, that's all for me now. Part 2 will be my camera.